How to build a successful affiliate marketing strategy. Welcome to Passive Income and Beyond. Today, we'll cover how to build a successful affiliate marketing strategy. Step 1. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific market or topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Step 2. Select quality affiliate programs. Partner with reputable companies that offer valuable products or services and provide good commission rates. Step 3. Create high-quality content. Develop engaging and informative content that resonates with your audience and highlights the benefits of the affiliate products. Step 4. Build and grow your audience. Use social media, email marketing, and SEO to attract and retain a targeted audience. Step 5. Track and analyze performance. Monitor your affiliate links, track conversions, and analyze what's working to optimize your strategy. Step 6. Optimize and test. Continuously test different strategies, including various types of content and promotional tactics, to see what drives the best results. Step 7. Stay updated. Keep up with industry trends and updates to adapt your strategy and stay competitive. We hope these tips help you build a successful affiliate marketing strategy. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.